Hey YouTube, WYZZWIG 101 here. Wanted to talk about the start of my day today, Monday, August 19th, 2003. Got up about 6:15 or so with the full intentions of reaching Academy this morning by 7 o'clock, which is when the line starts forming, somewhere around in there, in order to get ammunition. That particular store, it arrives Monday, Tuesdays, and Thursdays. There's another academy on the other side of town where it arrives Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So, got up about 6:15 this morning, combed my hair, got dressed, all the stuff that you need to do, start the day before you walk out of the house. I thought, it's such a bright, cheery morning this morning, nice and cool. It was kind of cool at the time. I'm going to stop and get me a Starbucks. So I stopped and got me a Starbucks, which turned out to probably be a big mistake. That little side trip took probably about 2, 3, 4 minutes, something like that. And who knows just where that 2, 3, 4 minutes would have been able to take me if I hadn't stopped. But I did stop. Got myself a nice, tasty, delicious, triple venti hazelnut white chocolate mocha with caramel drizzle on top, because I like my coffee or my mocha or whatever sweet. Hate coffee. Bitter. Ew. For you coffee drinkers out there, more power to you. So anyways, after I left there, I went straight to Academy. I was 6th in line. 6th. That's right. So, not too bad, right? I looked in the window though, and guess what I saw on the counter waiting for us to buy? It's like the holy grail of 22 caliber rounds. Perhaps you've heard of it. It's called the Remington Bucket of Bullets. For those of you who are unaware of this, I'm going to show a photo. A Remington Bucket of Bullets is 1,400 22 caliber long rifle, 40 grain, copper plated hollow points for about 65 bucks. And there were 4 of those buckets. Where was I in line? 6th. So I knew for a fact I wasn't going to get one, but I did have a smidgen of hope. Next to those bullets were bricks. Now, Academy has changed their policies recently. It used to be you could get 1 box each of 3 calibers. So, for instance, if you wanted 5.56, 2.23, and 22, there you go. You could get 1 box of each. Or if you wanted 22, 9mm, 5.56, it didn't matter. The policy now is 2 boxes. So, finally, 8 o'clock, doors open, we all file in. Again, I'm number 6, and I didn't get one. This little guy right in front of me got the last one. You know how much they were selling those for? I think I told you already. 65 bucks for 1,400 rounds. Would have loved to have got one. So instead, I was able to get something not quite as good, but close. I got the Remington Golden Bullet Value Pack, 525 of these puppies. Oh, but wait, there's more. It has a twin. So, I have 1,050 rounds of 22 caliber long rifle. I do believe that is 40 grain, copper plated. And I paid $21.99 for each box. So that's 22 bucks, $44. If I'd been able to buy one more, I would have cleaned up. I would have gotten more than 1,400 rounds at about the same price. So, all in all, I think statistically, I did pretty good. I was also able to get something that is new to me. I haven't fired this particular round yet, though I do have a box of it in the yellow pack. And that is some target ammo, Remington UMC 9mm ×2. And those cost me $28 a piece. 100 rounds each. So for $28 times 2, I got 200 rounds. So for me, that is awesome. I'm extremely excited and extremely happy about that. Let's just check this out. $21.99 divided by 525, and that comes out to 4 cents a round on the 22. On the UMC, that is $27.99 divided by 100, and that's 27 cents a round. Almost, actually about 28 cents a round. So not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. I'm extremely pleased with this morning's purchases. So, guys, instead of paying all those high fees at your local gun store or at gunbroker.com or at the gun shows, consider getting up early a morning or two and going and visiting your local academy, or calling to find out from Walmart when their ammunition shows up. I still haven't got quite a handle on that. I've been told about 8 o'clock on certain evenings, but I've shown up around 7 o'clock only to find out, oh, it didn't come in tonight. Well, somebody tell me a definitive answer, but so far I haven't gotten anything. So far Academy has been my friend. Love Academy. I went to my gun store the other day, and remember, $22 a box. A box just like this was going for like $75-$80 at my local gun store. Now, I believe in supporting my local gun store. Really, I do. I would love to make purchases there. But when you up the cost from $22 to $70 or $75, you've gone too far. I'm just not going to do it. Anyways, with that said, thank you very much for watching. Thanks for listening. Please hit the like button. Please hit the subscribe button. I would gratefully appreciate it. Y'all stay safe and shoot straight.